Time for lunch. Oh no. Our maps outside. So this way, don't even have any. Mount Kosciouszko. It has been in our bucket list since long ago, and it's summer in Australia, and we thought this would be a perfect time for hiking. Firstly, we visited Anaconda to buy some hiking gears. Alright guys, early morning, we are here to collect our car. It's from the 6th and it's located in Newcastle Airport. That's our car. We are taking this car through. We booked for MGHS, but luckily we got the Outlander. Oh, big space in the back, comfortable seats. Radio. Three of us live in the same house, and we will pick Moina on the way.
Should I go?
Our first destination was Jindabyne, which is 7-hour plus drive. Prem and I both drive, so it wasn't that tiring. Time for lunch at Galban. We were too excited and we had high expectations. First disappointment, the campsite was too packed. We went out to buy some goods and did a little bit of walking. Almost they missed it. Okay, this one is good. Let's take this kangaroo. घोडाको लागि तिमीलाई चाहिँ ठिक हुन्छ. We tried to see the dam slipway, but there was no access.
Okay guys, today we are going to show you how to do camping and budget. So this is a theme, that's what we don't have money. Yeah, you can.
No worries, mate. No worries.
The thing is, because we had 4 bags and 4 of us,
We have 3 cars, but
it's just tonight.
No, that not working.
City बज्यो, सिटीलाई कभर अप गर्नुपर्ने छ. खसीको मासु खाएपछि सब ठिक भइहाल्छ.
जुत्ता पनि बिर्सिन्छ.
जुत्ता हराएको टेन्सन पनि बिर्सिन्छ. Next morning we got up late, had our breakfast and got ready to head out. Everybody's getting ready to get out to the mountains.
Let's go. Okay, should
Everybody ready to head out?
Everyone? Have
Let's
you
go.
forgotten everything?
No. This time we didn't forget our hat.
What's the crowd?
Too much crowd. NRM Jindabyne Holiday Park had great amenities, hence it was so crowded. Next morning we saw a road leading to Slipway, so decided to go and see. But the road was closed, but I still managed to get some footage. Guys, we are in the European village. This is our Austrian mountain village.
Austria from Australia.
Mini Austria from Australia. Oh my god!
It's beautiful.
अब हेर्सा गुम्बा खोज्न आएको छु यो ठाउँमा हेर्सा गुम्बा खोज्न आएको छु We started our hiking very late at the midday, which was the biggest mistake.
Driving skill.
Why?
The way he parked his car. I'm not that bad.
Getting ready for hiking. Oh, thank you, God. Thank you for the sun. Thank you for the sunshine. Thank you for the rain. Thank you for the pain. Most people do this hiking within a day, but our plan was to stay up in the mountain for the night. Say hello. Everybody, how excited are you guys?
Excited.
Before and after inside.
Pro tip, if you are planning to camping up in the mountain, go anti-clockwise. We're going to do summit trail alpine walk first. We went clockwise, which was easier at the beginning but tougher at the end. It looks like the place where we used to take our domestic animals to graze when I was a kid back in Nepal. Hello, I'm your reporter. She is my guest. I'm your porter.
So in mountains, this is how we purify water. Drink water.
Clean, drinkable water. But this water is already clean. Doesn't need it.
So good. No chemical like household water.
नेपालको जस्तो छ
My wife couldn't carry her bag after walking 25 minutes and I had to carry her back.
This is natural mattress.
ल ल
अरे उठा लो.
So far exciting.
Weather was getting really bad and visibility was very low.
Proud.
बिस्तारै है बिस्तारै Nice technique. Randa खुट्टा चाहिँ just like
Don't try this at home.
Nobody has this.
Don't go. That's the cement hut. You can use this while doing day trip or in the night in case of emergency. Currently we are at Cement's hut. You can see behind. We finished our 6-kilometer journey already. So we still got like 3.4 kilometers left for the summit of Mount Kosciouszko. But we have 14 kilometers left to complete our total trail. It's almost 3 o'clock now and we'll do our lunch here. It's 3:50 and we are about to have our lunch. I'm gonna use this ice. We didn't carry water. The body said. Guys, it feels good. All I wish is for the sun.
we are at highest
This is the toilet which is highest in Australia. I'm feeling like climbing Mount Everest.
This is what we want for.
If I slide down, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube.
Members.
Yeah, we want a video.
we will हिरोजले बनाएको बाटोमा
Right, it's alright. It's alright. Now, you may not even need to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's okay.
It was a little bit difficult in the start. It's really cold.
Wow, we are at the top of Mount Kosciouszko. So windy and it's so cold. And because of this fog, we can't see. We made it to the top, but our view was blocked by the fog. That was disappointing. Just finished Mount Kosciuszko summit and we are heading to maintenance walk. There was a lot of snow. Oh, this is scary. This part is very scary. this way. This way. Snow wasn't fun anymore like the beginning. It's like true mountain climbing experience. A lot of snow. I don't even have any energy left to speak. Hello, 911. I need rescue. It's late. We should be camping now. We were too tired and should be camping, but due to extreme wind, we couldn't find any safe spot. Oh my god, finally पुग्यौँ अब गाडीमा चिसो छ पुरै लुगा भिजेको छ हामी शार्लोट पास फेरि पुग्यो That 3 hours was in survival mode, trying to find safe spot, wishing for no more snow, wet and cold whole body and headlight on. Only option was to keep walking until the Charlotte Pass. Guys, be careful when you are coming for camp. Today was the worst.
No, where you are going, how far you have to go.
We thought like we were gonna die.
Came back alive.
To survive. But there was like 10-11 places. There was a lot of snow. Like if you skip from there, you just die. Just die. Like we couldn't even find a perfect spot for camping. It was so windy and so foggy. You couldn't see anywhere. Kept walking and trying to find a spot like where there would be a lot of wind. But nowhere we found. We have to come all the way back to the Charlotte Pass. So happy to come back to the Charlotte Pass and get in the car with the heater on.